Hello friends, welcome to my channel Morden AI. Today we are gonna create an amazing project on Storyteller. So it is powered by API keys of Open Router, and we are gonna using today GenSpark super agent. So I will give you the prompt to GenSpark AI, and I have already signed up. So you can also sign up in GenSpark AI. So I will go on Chat GPT. I will ask him to give a prompt. Please give a prompt. So I will ask him a prompt. So we are gonna using Chat GPT for a prompt, and I will provide you this prompt in the description box. GenSpark prompt. So I'm asking him, please give a prompt that I can give to GenSpark because I want to made a tool which can tell history of artificial intelligence or a website. We can give in the bracket website also of artificial intelligence. So I will ask him to give a prompt. So he will give me a prompt. So it is ready, he is giving a ready to copy the prompt. So act as senior product designer, historian, full stack planner. Is a web tool called Storyteller. So I have let me give you a prototype. I have made this thing myself this thing. I have not used GenSpark. I have made myself, but I will also create this type of things today in this video. And he has given me the prompt. I will ask. So I have to copy all these. So I will give it to GenSpark and press enter. Till then we also need API keys, so we can go to openrouter.ai. We have so we have to also sign in the open router. So we have to click on sign up with Google. It is loading. Till then we can also see this. Sample story, what is doing, let me see. So it is saying that he will plan a interactive web platform. So till then let us sign in. So you can also contact us on contact.mordenai.com and we can respond to you. And also we have our website also. So it has created the this is created by AI. We also have chat pages, and you can also contact on contact page. So you can fill out this form. Or we also have hello.mordenai.com. You can also come to this and Gmail us. So I will continue. So it has said, so I will create an API key. So I will say so create. So I have to copy this API key. So it is saying that would you like ready to build the design, gives you a blueprint for AI session. So it is saying that I am, so I will say yes, I am ready to build. And also use open router API. I will give this API key, and also I also need a model, so that's why I will search for the model. So we will explore a model. So we want to text into text. So we will see there are lot of models there. I want something free, so I will click on prompt pricing. So I will get all the free models. So these are the free models. So let us use so it has 30 billion parameter, so we can use this model, and it is also free, so we will use this model. So we can copy the ID, model ID, and we can give it to GenSpark that it is this model, and we'll press enter. And now the magic begins. So I will give you all this prompt and everything. So so it is doing with an agent. So GenSpark is a super agent, and it powers a lot of agents. So let me give you a tour of my website. So this is my home page. So we have various tools also, and you can learn from us from Morden.learn. From here you can learn from us, and you can also go to Modern Football AI, and this is a lineup builder. This is and the chat studio. And here you can chat. It is just like Chat GPT, and it also has AI agents, and you can create your own agent. You can click on new chat. So yeah, create writer, code export, data analyst. So I have everything. So it is so let us see this. It is running the AI developer task. So we're gonna create an history teller. So it is creating. Till then we can see that. So how beautiful it has made this. So we also have a lot of tools, criteria, our criterias. So our famous tool is Chat Studio, and this is our trending tool because it has also the feature of agents. We also have we also have Modern Football AI, and I'm gonna creating more and more tools for you all for free, and you can master AI in this. And there are a lot of courses, and you can master. So it has started making. It is running. It is using to write file. So it has a lot of things. 10 tutorials remaining. So we will see to this. Until then, let me give you overview of OpenRouter.ai. So the OpenRouter.ai, it has various things, various all the models. So it has around 605 models, and 605 models it has, and some are free and some are paid. And and see how much things it has. And also we can find the ranking LLM leaderboard. So highest. So Grow Code Fast is going very high by XAI, and then Gemini 2.5. Let us see to this. So it is taking a lot of time, but it gonna making very beautiful one. It is implemented the HTML, but a lot of things are to be there. So we can also find tutorial table of contents. So let us also get overview of GenSpark.ai. So we see how far how slow. So we'll wait for some time for it. And let me give you overview. So we will get back in a few minutes. Till then.
A few moments later.
So till then we can see this. We can click on here and we can see what it has made till now. So till now it has made this, and it is a very beautiful thing. And it made it a very beautiful things, and it is saying that 80 plus years of AI history. So let us see that information is correct or wrong. Let me ask him. Years of AI history. So we'll ask the information that how many years of AI history. So it is saying 70 years. So it is saying the further 40s and ancient history also. So it has the right information. It is loading only the Storyteller. So we'll wait for a few time, and then we'll gonna come back again. So till now, let us see that what it has built. So it has built a AI history teller, and we can see that it is going in the JavaScript file for integrity with the open router AI API integration, and we can see for the information that how it is a development flow. It is getting tutorial also that it is requirements, and telling it how the Spark do it. And we also the file exploit has created some CSS files and JSS files. So we preview it, so how beautiful it has built. So it is currently on build. So it is running the agent, and it is implementing the features, and it has done various things. Let me see its timeline. It has made a story mode, and we have to read this and then next. So it is building the AI historian. So I think it has built it functional. No. So it is selling out future also. AI agents 90% confidence, multimodal, mid future, potential AG emergence. So it is telling also the so it has given a lot of information, and it is also saying the pioneers in AI. So I can further edit in. I know coding, so that's why I can further edit in, give the pictures and various things. So it is, we can also see how it has beautiful build. So it is also telling about today's the Jennifer Frank unveiled the preparation and the press conference marketing the birth of neural that could learn from experience. So it is also telling about what happened on today. So let us ask Google about this. So if you ask Google about this, it is telling that today Jennifer is an AI history focuses less on single event, even more continuational. So let us see to this. Let us copy this and check the fact. So it is saying that not generated for the press conference organized in before. So it is saying that wrong information. AI could give wrong information, so that's why we have to be ensured that AI should not give this information, and it is making the full potential. It is giving all core features implemented. And this, what is this era? This is ChatGPT era. So ChatGPT is become an era. So ChatGPT launch was an era. So I think it has built. No. So yes, it has built. So it has built the timeline, story mode. It is the AI history. Let us open the another window. So we can see this, how beautiful it has built, and how beautiful is this. So it has built now the first page for this and various things. I don't know why it has left so much space. So timeline, it is, see how beautiful the timeline is there, and how beautiful it has built this timeline. And we see the story mode, and we can read this story, and we can, there's also facts also. We can ask the AI historian, we can tell about the future. So let us so it is telling about the pioneers in AI. So let us ask AI historian. So I'm asking this, it is thinking, let us see, this is, it is very engaged, it is very lovely, and it is getting crazy. Oh my god, it has told about AI. So it is not giving the information. So what is the error in this? So firstly the timeline. So I want also a timeline should also have should be read in story mode. So the story mode should also have AI features also, and the timeline should also have AI features. And this is also not good. It is giving messy informations. So that's why we can also ask it, ask the AI. We will ask him for giving structured a response from AI, and also also give so this tool accurate. So we will see to this. So we also want deep dive in AI. So let us go back to this, and we have given, please giving structured response from AI. Sorry. Please give structured response from AI, and also so what so see, we want structured information, and also give deep dive in AI, a deep dive with AI feature. We want this feature in we want this feature in we want this feature in timeline, and give a summary feature, summarize feature in story mode. And we also want a personal chatbot, give personal chatbot, and we also want a personal chatbot. There should be a chatbot contacting. And what else we want? We also we want story mode, and we also want that it should give, it should